Okay, welcome again to our channel. Now we're going to discuss the further on development of the respiratory system. We have left with the secondary bronchi that is going to develop from the primary bronchi, and these primary bronchi are ultimately derived from the developing trachea that is anterior to the developing foregut at the time of the 4th week of embryonic period. And posteriorly there will be esophagus, anteriorly there will be trachea that bifurcate into primary bronchi, and then at the 6th week of embryonic development this primary bronchi will going to bifurcate into the secondary bronchi. Now what happens next? At the peak of 6th week of development, there will be an expansion in the thoracic cavity, and this expansion from the pericardio-peritoneal canals will going to develop into the developing lungs. There will be a lateral extension, and there is a development of the lung start from the 6th week of embryonic period. Then what happens, the developing lungs around the trachea and the bronchi will going to start, and these are the trachea with the primary bronchi and these are the secondary bronchi. And this is a developing lung. Here you can see this is the developing lung around these bronchi. And what happens? Now the two layers of the peritoneum that we call as the peritoneal cavity or the peritoneal layer will going to surround the lung. The first layer of the peritoneum that is going to surround the outer surface of the lung on both the sides are called as the visceral layer of the peritoneum, also called as the visceral pleura. Why it is called as the visceral pleura? Because this pleura is used for the lungs. The term pleura is used for the lungs. So the visceral pleura surrounds the pleural cavity around the lungs. The second type of the pleura that we can see is somewhat away from the visceral pleura, and this pleura will going to surround the lungs whole from the outside, and it will going to surround the area of the trachea, area of the diaphragm that will be going to develop inferiorly to divide the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. So this pleura that will be present overall on the thoracic cavity and the thoracic wall is called as the parietal pleura. So the parietal pleura is present outside the visceral pleura, and it will going to cover the thoracic wall and the thoracic cavity. One more important thing here is that between these two pleura, here you can see this is a potential space here. This space between the visceral and the parietal peritoneal or the visceral and the parietal pleura is called as the pleural cavity. So this is a pleural cavity which have a certain amount of the pleural fluid that is important for the expansion of the lung to take place. Now coming to the next stage of the development of respiratory system, what happens when the visceral and the parietal pleura have been developed? In the next step, there will be a development of the tertiary bronchi. Here you can see these are the trachea, these are the primary bronchi, then there will be secondary bronchi. From the primary bronchi, here also the primary bronchi, the secondary bronchi, and then now there will be more bifurcation that is called as the tertiary bronchi. And these tertiary bronchi are larger in number than the secondary bronchi, and they are smaller in size. So there will be more and more development of the bronchi that we call as the tertiary bronchi. And also one more important thing that occurred in this time period is the development of a pulmonary segments. These are the pulmonary segments, or you can say the bronchopulmonary segments, that having a alveoli and the certain amount of elastic tissues around the alveoli that are important for the respiration. So the respiration started at this time of the development, that is after the 6th week of development. There will be development of bronchopulmonary segments in the lung inside the tertiary bronchi, and there will be an expansion and expansion of the air, and expiration of air can take place. So this is a bronchopulmonary segment development. Now what happens next? At this level, what happens, the trachea that was divided and that was bifurcated into the primary bronchi is coming at the level of the T4 vertebrae. We have to remember this point, that the T4 vertebrae is at the level of the tracheal bifurcation. This also called as the sternal angle. So the important event that occurred, the sternal angle, is the bifurcation of trachea. Now in the next part, here we can see that we have developed the bronchopulmonary segment, we have developed the bronchi, all type of bronchi, we have developed the visceral and the parietal pleura. Now what happens, there will be a complete development of the trachea with all parts of the bronchi. There is a primary, the secondary and the tertiary bronchi. Here you can see these are the tertiary bronchi, and with the development of the bronchopulmonary segment around the tertiary bronchi, and what happens, there will be tertiary bronchi here. Sorry, the diagram is going very much unfair, so I hope you will be going to explain well. So there will be a formation of bronchopulmonary segments here, and then what happens, there will be a formation of the lung around the bronchopulmonary segment, and this lung having the two layers. Outside the lung is called as the visceral layer, while inside the lung is called as the pleural layer. That is the outside the pleural cavity, and inside the wall of the thoracic cage is called as the pleural cavity. And between these two, parietal pleura and the visceral pleura, there will be a formation of pleural cavity, and the trachea will having at the level of T4 that we have discussed. So this was the complete explanation about the embryology and how this development of the lung take place, how the development of the trachea and esophagus form at the fourth week of fertilization, and now the maturation of the lung will going to take place further on, that we're going to discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to like our Facebook page. For any query, comment below. Thank you for watching.